In front of me is Neo NUBIA 3, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth section right away. Then activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. And wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one you wanna connect to. Though quick tip, if you want to connect to another smartphone or a tablet, you will have to accept connection request manually on the second device. You don't have to do that in case of headphones or speaker. So tap on your device. Click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable it, and tap on pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To manage this connection, click on gear icon next to your device and manage all of those options thanks to those two switchers next to them. Tap on Connect if you want to reconnect now, helpful in case of, for example, wireless headphones, or Forget if you want to forget this device completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!